My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Okay, we're gonna do something I've never done before here on my channel. We are gonna do an unboxing in bed. So I actually just got done filming, well, I worked 2 nights. I just got done filming a video, and then I had like taken all my makeup off, ready to get in the shower, and my Ipsy Plus was delivered. I'm like, there is no way I am putting makeup on again and getting dressed to do this unboxing. I did put some like magnetic lashes on and some lip gloss, but this is officially, I am not wearing makeup on my channel. I cannot believe it. Alright, so this is my Ipsy Plus for the month of May. Let's see what I got. Get that glow. Oh, I thought that was the information card, but apparently not. Nice, we don't get one anymore. Okay, so here is the bag. It is a little ombre moment. I actually really like that, and I like the tassel. That's awesome. It's not the biggest bag, but I really like the design. Alright, the first thing that I pull up is this Wonder Beauty Frame Your Face something brow gel clear. Oh, that's a really tiny brush. I usually just use the Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel, but I will definitely have to try it. I do like Wonder Beauty and their products. Alright, what do we got here? This is Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum, pH balanced, extra smoothing, anti-aging. What is this? After Mask Vitamin Serum. Okay. It's 1 fluid ounce. I've never heard of this brand before. I don't know. The packaging just like isn't really drawing my attention and making me want to try it. All right, next, this is Naked Cosmetics, and it is. Oh, you know what? I think this was an add-on. Yes, this is the Naked Cosmetics Vanilla Cream Lip Scrub that I added on. I have not tried their lip cream before, and it was only like $3 or something, so I'm like, what the hell? Definitely smells like vanilla. Okay, it seems like it's going to be hydrating. What's next? Next, I have this Tarteiste lip paint in Home Slice. I love it. Well, I'll see how much I love the color, though. Love the name. Oh, it's a little bit on the brown side for me, but actually, oh, it looks pink in the camera. Okay, yeah, I guess it's more of a peachy. That's a really pretty color. I definitely will use that. So next, I have this Mimosa Moment eyeshadow palette by Colored Rain. Huh. I have tried like a single Colored Rain eyeshadow that I got in Ipsy before, but never one of their palettes. I've wanted to though. Ooh. Alright, here is what the packaging looks like. Very simple. Oh. Huh. That's actually a really pretty color scheme. I'm super excited about that. And the last product is this Galactic Skin Glow Duo in Moonlight. Oh, it's cream. So here's the component. I think that highlight might be too dark for me. And I could, is it a cream? I could work with that blush, but I don't know about that highlight. I don't even know if I want to swatch it because I think I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. Yeah, because I don't think that highlight is gonna work for me. Oh, that kind of sucks. I wish it would have been powder, and I wish it would have been a lighter highlight shade. But what can you do? What can a girl do? Alright, let me reflect on this stuff again. I'm really excited about the Color Rain eyeshadow palette. I like that Tarte lip paint. The clear brow gel, I don't know how much use I'll get out of it because I have like so many of the Anastasia clear brow gels, and I don't know how I feel about the serum either. Like, these might be some giveaway prizes. I mean, I have so many serums, it's not even funny. Like, it's so hard for me to bring myself to like use another one when I get it in a subscription box because I have so many right now that I need to use. Let me know what you guys think and tell me what you got in your Ipsy or your Ipsy Plus. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you in my next video. I am going to sleep. Bye.